power walking from one place to the other, sometimes through smoky casinos. But the point of the matter is that I'm very motivated when I get out there because I have the sole focus to get this thing done. And that creates the sole sense of focus when a person is doing something on a subconscious level. So they're not fully aware of why it's going on, or how it's going on, or what it's doing, but it's doing it and it's happening and it works.
I could feel your intent all the time.
Right.
All the way up my spine.
Right. I'm also a Qigong healing master, so that's another thing I told him. No extra bonus, no extra charge. Yes, sir.
Can you say a few words about intention?
My intent, I've talked about this in other classes, in case you remember those other classes, and it's in my books, thank you very much if you read it. My intent is to overwhelm the situation I'm in. In my mind, they're already hypnotized before I put them out. I'm just stepping split seconds into the future. And I'm going slow here because I'm doing my best to demonstrate this. If I was in a hurry, they'd go out even quicker. I've done that. Also, my intention is to overwhelm that which overwhelms them. And my job is to get their mind to overwhelm that which is overwhelming them. Their soul, their essence, their spirit, the masterful part of them that is doubtless fearless and mighty. Does that make sense? Yes, sir.
Obviously, you don't need a deeper, but have you gotten rid of deepers and everything?
Well, the rocking and tapping is a type of deepening. So I'm deepening this and giving suggestions. So I'm mixing the two together so it works quicker. Yes, sir.
Is your book the best source of what you do?
I have three script books that I've written. The new one is here. Power Hypnosis, the smaller book, is basically a revamp of how we think about designing suggestions for our sessions. And people said to me, which is your favorite book? That's like saying, which is your favorite child? You know, somebody said to me yesterday, well, we all have one, but we won't admit to it. Well, I don't have any kids, so my books are my kids, and they're kind of all equal. But I will say to you, if you read, especially the optimizers in my most recent book, this book here, this has tremendous amount of information in it, and this has hundreds of those optimizers that I've been doing through the entire thing. There's literally hundreds that I wrote here because people demanded that I do that. So if you could take a chance, stop by the booth and take a look. Question?
So you tell me to come and do this work on hypnotists and need one or two to throw in for working with the general public?
Just do what I'm doing with you. Because even though you're a hypnotist, you're also the general public, right? So it's just get in there and make it happen. And here's the thing. My entire career has been about taking this to a quantum higher level. Let your career be about taking however you work this to a quantum higher level. I don't want to hear from you in 3 years that you're stuck in some 1950s or 60s approach. Unless you're driving a classic car, you're not driving an Edsel. You're driving something with a computer that's got airbags that you're not going to have to wipe your blood off the dashboard if something happens. My job is to take this to a higher level. That's why there's 85 speed inductions. That's why my shows are insane. That's why my workshops and my session work is always at a higher level. I want this to be what it should be. I see the beauty of the future of what we can be. Let's take it up. Let's not be lazy. Let's be mighty and powerful and put the energy in. You can sleep at the end of the day. Put the energy in when you're doing what you have to do. You can be tired some other time. This is not the time for being tired.
Right.
Any other questions? You guys should have done that. Thank you very much. Give me a